And the baby. Mama, how does that little thing what? How did they what?
She making all that noise.
My baby.
What is that? What are you making?
Dude.
You making stew?
I'll be having a little dog. Baby. My uppy and baby. You don't want to be.
You look like a fish.
Yeah. Oh, you're baby. The boy wait, the daha. Mama, how will it be that?
I see you cut the fish in half, huh? Trying to put it back together?
Yeah. Hey.
Oh, the head. You got the head back?
No, hey.
Oh, it's got two heads.
The daha.
Uh-oh. Your stew?
On the move. Oh, away. Oh, away. I'm going to do the pizza. Here, Mama. A pig.
A fish?
Yeah.
Thank you for your fish.
A pig.
It's a good looking fish.
Yeah, I didn't make that. It was. A turtle.
Mm-hmm.
A turtle.
Yeah, a turtle will eat it right up.
Yeah. A deep turtle eat. Turtle eat. Nom 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 nom.
Nom nom nom.
I will eat. That dough. It will nom 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 nom. It will eat you. What way?
They didn't run away. The fishes run away.
Yeah. I went the wrong way. Where's my juice? I don't know. Ma.
Are you gonna eat your stew?
Not yet.
Not yet. Are you still cooking it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
So what are we gonna make?
A bit.
It look like you're making a meatball.
Meatball.
Meatball, yeah.
No, do it away.
I made a mountain.
That's the big day.
Really?
I will get hay.
That was not nice. Okay, how about a hat?
A hat?
Yeah, for my finger. See?
I will get hay.
Yeah. Yeah, I can make a hat. Or a wig. Look.
Then me made. Then me made.
What you gonna make?
Oh no! Oh, the bee. And me made. I will.
You ain't tired yet? All this cooking? You've been cooking for hours. What you making, a donut?
Yeah. Oh, you made.
You mean make a donut too?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try. See what I can do.
Oh, whoa. No, whoa.
Okay, is that a donut?
No.
I didn't make a donut?
Okay.
Like that? Okay, let me try again.
Whoa.
Roll like this. Okay, is this a donut?
Oh, dear.
Is that a donut? Nah, okay, I pat it down. Then what? Oh, I gotta put my finger in it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I pat it down. I make a ball. Then I put my finger in it like this.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I think I figured it out.
Here.
And I think I got a donut. Let me take your donut. Okay, is this a donut?
No.
It's not a donut?
Yeah.
Okay, so I gotta make a ball first, right? What are you looking for? Oh, you got a pan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go over here.
Okay. So you're gonna use a pan.
Yeah, over here.
And we're gonna make it here.
Oh.
Okay. You gonna make 5?
Yeah.
5 donuts?
Yeah.
That's a lot of donuts, Luke. Who gonna eat all them donuts?
How you want to eat?
Like this. Okay, I make another donut.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this a donut?
No.
Okay, that's not a donut. Okay, I gotta roll it first. Gotta make a ball like this.
Wait, Mom.
Good job, Blue.
And then I poke off my finger through it like that. I think I figured it out. Oh. Okay, this is an ugly donut. That's not a donut. You gonna fix it? Okay, thank you for fixing it for me. Let me see. Wow, that is a good donut. Let's try again. Okay, I'm doing it right this time. Is this a donut? That's not a donut. You keep telling me how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. You ready?
Hey, whoa. Here, whoa.
Okay.
Back.
You smash. Okay, and I'm gonna take this one too. Oh, don't forget to eat your banana.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Is this a donut?
No.
Okay, I try again one more time, right? Okay.
Where?
Okay, ball,
Back.
smash, and then
Yeah.
make a hole. Good job. Making one more donut. This is the last one, right?
Almost.
Make sure I get all the dough and stuff. Okay, got it. Oh, your stew. Okay, here's the donut. Perfect. Okay. How many more donuts? 2?
Yeah.
2 more donuts? Okay, so let's rip this in half like this.
Whoa.
Smash. Okay, and then we roll it around like this.
Too big. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you gonna get one and I get one? Get one. Okay. Okay, and then roll it around again, right? Okay. Now what?
Back.
Smash. Okay, then I put my finger in it. Right? Like that. Oh my goodness, I think I got it right this time. Oh, my donut look messed up. Let me see how your donut look. I think I need to squeeze it like this. Is that a donut?
No.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna try again. Okay, that's what the donuts look like. Okay, I forgot. Okay.
Mama.
Yeah, I know. Squeeze it all together first. Look, do this. So you can squeeze it together. Okay, and after you do that, then roll it around. Uh-oh, you dropped your donut.
I'm okay.
Say hey, Kyra. Okay. Ready? Okay. Smash. I think it's going to turn out right this time.
Here.
I got it. Yay. And you got the last donut. So how many donuts we make? 7. Can you say 7?
How many?
Can I help you? Oh, you need some help making a donut? Okay. So that's 6 so far. Huh? And we're going to put it in the oven.
Yeah, it will.
And watch it grow.
Yeah.
No, we're not going to put you... No, we're not putting green donuts in the oven.
Over here?
No, we're not going to put it... We're just going to leave it on the pan, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, maybe next time. We'll make some real donuts next time.
Yeah.
Kyra knows how to make some good donuts, don't you, Kyra?
Yep.
All right, Kyra knows how to make some good donuts, and she can make all the good donuts for us.
Mama.
All right, let me see all your donuts. Good job. Who made the donuts?